Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Durable, how to create a website for personal styling and wardrobe consultation, business easy and quick. So first type Durable on the search. So as we know, Durable website is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. So also we know that you can build this website in just 30 seconds with this AI. So first let's sign in. Now create new business. Enter your business name. Type any business name you want. Now select your industry. And now enter your location and choose your website language, and now create business. Wait a few seconds to generate this website. Now the first is go to the first section on the website, the header section. You can edit it from here. You can change your site name. Also here, if you want to turn this on and replace the company name with a logo, you can upload a file. You can change the label or add a new label. Here, if you want to add a link, you can turn this on, open link in a new page. Also, if you want to edit your social links, and here you can add the channel. Just select the type of the social link, and here put the link. So let's save this. If you want to edit your style section, the positioning or the social icon or the size or the shape, here if you want to turn this on, the full width or this, keep the header as the top on scroll, just turn this on. If you want to edit the spacing, the top, if you want to make it medium or large or small, or the bottom or the background here. So that's it. Let's save this. If you want to add a section on your website, just click add section and select any section here you want, and that's it. Let's move to the next section, the banner section of the website. Edit. Here if you want to change the heading, just click regenerate and it will be changed. Also the subtext, if you want to change it, if you don't like it, just click regenerate and it will be changed. The label, you can change it, and the link here, if you want to add a link, you can also open link in a new page. Here if you want to edit the style of the section, the spacing and the main height, if you want to make it screen or like this, the horizontal alignments, for example like this, the background, or here if you want to generate another image, you can also edit the image position, you can edit the background overlay, and here if you want to turn this on and combine with header. So let's save this and let's move on. The next section is the image section of the website. Click edit. Here if you want to generate another image, also here you can edit the image position. So let's save this. The next section is the text section of the website. You can edit here. Now if you want to generate another text, just click here. You can also edit your type or the size of the writing. If you want to edit the style of the section, the alignment or the spacing or the background. So let's move on to the next section. The next section is the list section of the website. You can edit it from here. Now if you want to change the heading, you can change it. Here if you want to edit the display settings, shows what will be displayed for each list item. Also here if you want to edit your list items, you can add a list item, you can just generate another image. Here if you want to edit the image position, Also, if you want to add the title and add the content, here you can add the label or add the link. So also if you want to turn this on, open link in a new page. So that's it. Now let's save this and let's move on. If you want to edit the style of this section, like all the previous sections, all of them has the same thing here. The next section is the testimonial section of the website. You can add testimonial here if you want to generate the code. You can also generate by who, and here if you want to upload a file. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the gallery section of the website. You can edit it from here. You can generate another image. Also, if you want to upload image from browser, just search on browser and put it here and it will be uploaded. If you want to pick it from library or from here, for example, let's pick some image from here. So for example, this. Now let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the location section of the website. If you want to change this, or if you want to change your business address, you can change it from here. You can add text file, you can add the title or the content. So here also, if you want to edit the style of this section, the type or the theme, or the rounded corners, or the marker color, or the spacing, or the background. So like this. Now let's move on to the next section, the contact form section. Edit here if you want to generate another contact form. Also, if you want to manage files, here if you want to turn this on and custom input labels, and you can generate form success message. So that's it. Now let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The last section on the website, the footer section, you can edit it from here. You can change the business name. Also here, if you want to turn this on the logo and replace company name with the logo, you can upload a file. Also, if you want add additional details, you can add your business address or any other relevant details. You can turn this on and add a label or add a link. You can edit your social links. And here, if you want to add this channel, just select the type of the social link like this. Now let's save this. Now if you want to generate the content or the style or the entire section of the section, just select any option here you want and it will be changed. If you want to duplicate it from here, if you want to move it up or move it down like this, if you want to delete it, just click delete and it will be removed. So now all you have to do is publish your website, click publish, and you can publish your website and get a free custom domain name. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.